Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best websites for your assets for your presentations. And right now, I'm going to categorize them with, I think, 5 sections. First of which is going to be templates, images, and videos. Third is fonts. Fourth is icons. And lastly is colors. So let's categorize them by 5 sections. And then let's start with the first one, templates. So for the templates section, the first website I recommend to check out is going to be SlidesGo. Basically, for this one, they have free trial and they have premium plans. But the thing is, their free trial is very good as of now, especially the one with the holiday selection right here for Christmas. Please check it out. The only thing you need to do is basically click your account right there, log in, and create an account, as I'm doing right now. So I'm just going to use my dummy account here, like I'm doing right here. And basically, we're just going to choose a template to work with. If you don't have much time to save it or rather start from scratch, please check SlidesGo. They're available for PowerPoint and Google Slides. So give me a second here. Let me just fix up my settings. Now, basically for this one, I'm going to go with the first letters, side classes. And as you can see right here, I have a lot of choices. I'm going to go with this one right here. Once you select a slide or rather template, you'll have this option. So you can check it on Google Classroom, you can go to Pinterest, and you can share it to your friends like so. Now to download it, simply click on download this template right here, and this is the usage. You can use it for Google Slides or PowerPoint. I'm going to check for Google Slides for now and see how it looks like. So that will be make a copy, as I'm doing right here. So it will ask me to proceed by making a copy when I'm using Google Slides. So as you can see right here, basically we are now inside Google Slides with this specific template. So you can start with this one if you don't have that skill yet on starting from scratch. This is very helpful. Moving on the second website that we're going to check out is going to be this one, Elements, or rather Envato Elements. So with this one again, first thing you want to do is sign up. And by the way guys, most of these websites are free. But again, please take note, so once you reach that limit, you'll have to pay for the paid version. This one right here, I think they don't have a free trial. And as you can see right here, it is going to be $16.50 per month. Moving on, let's try looking for a template and see if there is for a free trial. Now I'm going to go with this one right here. Click on it, and basically it's the same user interface as the one earlier, the slides. And click it right here, download for free. And basically with this one, simply click on download. It's gonna be called Doria app, and shout out to the creator, this one guy right here. And for this one, it will ask you how can I help you. So there's our premium templates, free PowerPoint slides, and still coming soon for this one. So let's check for premium templates. So click on that link right there. I'm gonna create a link also for PowerPoint slides. And basically, I'm going to check first for the templates right now. So for premium template, it has Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, and so on and so forth. I'm going to check on Netflix here. And for this one, it has a payment for $13 for average. And that is going to be a free bonus of when you get my Netflix today. I'll also throw in my beginner's tutorial and example slides. So basically, the guy who made this website is selling it for $12.99. I suggest you check them out, but if you don't want to spend yet, the first 2 websites earlier are for you. So let me just remove these 2 right here and basically move on with this websites for images and videos. So to get your stock videos and images, one of which is going to be Unsplash. And for this one, you can search your image here. So for example, I'm going to search for camera, like so. And there is a lot of results, including camera. And by the way, as you can see right here, they have an option where you can have a license or you have the search for free. That is how easy it is to use. You can sort by relevance, orientation also, it's really up to you guys. And on this part right here, there are suggestions for search bar. So for example, if you select one photo, so this is going to be a free photo, this is also going to be a royalty photo. So simply click on download free right there. And basically, without a hassle, you have that photo on your desktop as it is. Like this one right here. Easy as that, right? So that being said, you can give it a shout out to the creator by simply clicking on this one and you should be good to go. Next, text and videos, or rather image and videos website I want to share with you guys is this one right here. It's gonna be called Pexels, and to be honest, this is my number one stock to image, or rather stock image and video library. So for example, same user interface as the one earlier, you can simply filter the one you need inside your photos or videos and type in any idea you have. For example, I'm gonna go dog in a city. It's just a random idea here, and let's see if they have it. So as you can see for the results, based on it, everything here is based on dog in a city. And if you like a photo, for example this one right here, just click on it, and there is an option where you can edit in Canva, or simply download it like this. So basically with that one, you have that image downloaded on your PC one more time. It's the same as Unsplash earlier, same user interface, but for Unsplash, they have that Canva option right there. Now moving on for the next one, it's gonna be called Pixabay right now. And for this one, it all focuses on photos, illustrations, videos, vectors, music, sound effects, and GIFs. Comparing to Pexels, Pixabay has a lot of choices to work with. So for example, since the one earlier with Pexels, it doesn't have sound effects, I'm gonna search a sample here for sound effects, and I'm gonna go with fire. So these are the sound effects that has a fire, especially the swoosh right there. For example, you want this one, simply click on download button right there, and that specific royalty-free effects. Please take note about that one, it's royalty-free. It's gonna be downloaded with your PC or to your PC with no hassle. That's why I love Pexels and Pixabay, because it is 100% royalty-free. Any output here, any product, may it be a video, image, sound effect, or even GIFs, everything is royalty-free. That is especially helpful with content creators. So moving on the next section, and basically for this one, these are gonna be fonts. So for the preview, for example, we're gonna select a specific font, this one right here. Type in anything here, for example, sample, sentence, and then there is a pixelated font size here, the language, the technology, the decorative stroke. For example, you want a different font size there, or font type, the classification, and basically with this one, anything you filter here will give you different results. For example, if I type slab serif, I have that Josephine slab. If I tap handwriting and choose other filter here, we have that specific font to use with. Simply click on it, and then you can download it as you see fit. That is how you use this website to download fonts. So there are also options here. For example, if you want icons now, simply choose your icons right here. Easy as that, right? Just set the parameters here, for example, the weight, the grade, the optical size, and the style on these sections right here. It also has this knowledge section, and basically if you click a specific knowledge, it will give you the understanding it has. So since it's Google, I assure you they have it. It's basically a helper with knowledge here, or tutorial with your teacher. Now moving on for the note. Basically for this one, if you're familiar with OneNote, it has all the fonts all together included on this one. But this is still on beta page, or rather beta phase if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, moving on to the next website to check on fonts. It's gonna be this one called The Font. And for this one, you have a lot of choices to work with. If you want cartoon, you want groovy, you want fire and eyes, or decorative, this on top are the filters. If you have the name of your specific font, you can just type it here and look for it. For example, I'm gonna go with bold font right there, and these are the ones with bold, and this is the font type. If you want this font type, for example, simply click on download button right there, and basically that file will be downloaded on your PC. And by the way, if you want to donate to the author, simply click on that button right there, so you don't have to pay for this website for a monthly subscription. Rather, by voluntarily, you can donate to the creator of that font. How cool is that, right? Now moving on to the next one of the font websites, it's gonna be this one. And basically with this, simply type in fonts here, and you'll have this option that says fonts. Simply click on it and you'll arrive on this landing page where you can download a lot of fonts, but some of them has payment. So if you want to filter the ones with no payment or basically free, simply click on this free option on the panel on the left, click on it, and all of this font right now for the results are totally free. So for example, you want this retro risers or retro writers, simply click on it, and you'll have this new font available if you simply download it. So to download, simply click on this button right here, and then you'll have this font automatically on your PC without any problem. So moving on, one more thing to take note of before moving on, almost forgot. You can share to your friends and save it as it is. But for this one, it will be saved on your account on this website. So I suggest clicking on this button right here to basically download it as it is, this one right here. Now, moving on to the next one, we're gonna go now to icons. This is the one or the first website for icons that we have. It's gonna be called Neon Project or the Noun Project, and for this one, basically we're just gonna search it up. Like pixels or pixabay, search up icons here. And then basically for this one, let's type in houseplants over here. Click on search bar or search icon right there. And these are the houseplants for icons. You can use them as a vector on your presentations as you see fit. One more thing, let's just type in basketball just for the sake of discussion purposes. And let's see if what he got. And easy as that, we have icons now. Now, almost forgot, you can filter it with photos over here. It doesn't mean that we're focusing on icons on this website. You can also use this to search for photos. And basically, if I'm not mistaken, these are royalty free also. And an additional tip for you guys, if you hover your mouse on an image, for example this one right here, you'll see an option, a teenager throwing a basketball into the hoop. And basically that looks like a prompt to me. So try that out on Midjourney or any other AI generation tools and see how it works out. And with that being said, let's move on to the next one. It's going to be called Icon Finder, and basically it has a search bar also. Make sure you type in icons there for illustrations, digital illustrations, and stickers, and then search it up right here. For example, I'm gonna go now again for basketball to have references. And for this one, these are the icons. However, there are ones here with paid version. For example, this one right here, as you can see, it has that watermark. This one right here has a payment because it has colors. And again, if you hover your mouse on the exact icon, you'll have that prompt. I suggest try it out on Midjourney or any AI generation tools, and you might as well get that specific output without even paying. How cool is that, right? One more thing, it has illustration sections. It has 3D illustrations. Of course, it has stickers also. Please utilize the sections here to filter it properly with a free version or premium. And they have all licenses here if you want to use them for your content. Please take note of that one. Moving on to the next icon website, it's going to be Vectors, Icons and Stickers or Flaticon. And with this one, it basically has a search bar again. Same user interface as the one before. Make sure this is on icons and not on stickers or animated icons. And with this one as a reference, I'm going to type in basketball again. Now these are the results for my basketball icon, and basically I can download anything here. Let's try this one out right here. Click on download. You'll have an option to save it as an FCG or PNG. So to save it as a FSVG, you'll have to have the paid version. So click on PNG for the free one, click on free download, and basically that's gonna be it. But the thing is, if you want a free download, even if it's just a PNG, you must attribute the author, which is basically attribute it as it is. So simply click on that free download right there. It's downloading as of now. And then basically you'll have that icon downloaded on your PC like so. And by the way guys, if you hover your mouse one more time, you still have that specific prompt. Again, I am reminding you to try it out on Midjourney or any other AI generation prompts. Moving on the last one, these are gonna be the colors website that I wanted to check out. So let me just accept those cookies right there. This is the creator of this website. And basically for this one, you'll have two options. You can start the generator or explore trending palettes. So let's try this first. So simply click on this one and you'll arrive on a new landing page. Basically, remove this. I don't need a tutorial. And you'll have this color palette. So please click on the spacebar to generate color palettes. So again, click on spacebar right here. And we are now generating color palettes as we see fit. Now, if you hover your mouse, there will be options that will show up. This is gonna be check contrast, view shades, save color, like so. Drag it right there to change the place. Easy as that. And basically you can lock it as it is. So if you lock it and then you click on space again, that specific color will not change anymore. So to download, click on that save color and you just have to log in using your dummy account or if you have a main account with this specific website. Moving on to the next color website, let me just remove this. So this is gonna be the second website for the colors. It's basically another search palette bar right there, and these are all free. Take note about that one, they're all free, and just choose a specific color palette. For example, this one is really calling me. I'm gonna click on it. Once you click on the specific project, you can simply click on that image right there, and then that will be downloaded on your PC. Not a problem or no hassle. And there's this option that says link. If you click on it, you'll copy that link where you can send that to your friends. How powerful is that, right? So if you click on search right here, there are the suggested ones. The collections, for example, you want neon. You'll have new choices where it mostly have neon colors. So please check it out, and let's move on to the last website. And basically this one's gonna be my color space. For this one, you'll have an option that says generate. Simply click on generate there after clicking a color. So if you don't have the code for a color, you can just simply click on that and then check your mouse and look for a color that you want. Don't worry about that code because it auto generates as you move in real time. So I'm gonna go with the red here, about wine red, this one right here. Click on generate, and then you'll have this new color palette for your uses. How awesome is that, right? So one more time, let's go for blue now. Click on generate, and I'll have this new color palettes available on my choosing. So if you want one here, simply click on them and you're good, be good to go. And by the way guys, it also have palettes, gradient, tree gradient, and contact information right here. So please check them out. And that being said, you can use these codes on your specific applications to create those colors you're looking for. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.